au Coronado Spring. Hein?
Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you lady. Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here okey dokey?
I mean, I guess, good people, what about the screen?
Thanks, be back in a jiffy.
Uber est arrivé.
Hurry, hurry, hurry! Step right up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls!
There they are! We'll be right back!
Who's that?
That's right.
Ah ben on est en avant.
Your positions. Ready and 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Excellent. You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Now, let's
conga.
Back to the 1950s to Hollywood Hills, California, to our drive-in movie theater. Along the journey, you'll see posters and pictures from the movies that were filmed, some of the old movie props that were used, like the jetpack up there from the movie Rocketeer. We are going to go right over here to our little compact convertible. You guys in the front seat of this
Front seat?
Yeah,
Okay.
front seat.
So
I
to
think
that-
you're going to get some hitchhikers.
I think I owe all of you an apology for this elaborate secrecy. But you must understand, the First Order has come to Black Spire Outpost. We are now officially an underground operation. This may look like a lot of old junk, but let me assure you, some of this is new junk. My associates you've met. You may call me Kembe, enigmatic. Building a lightsaber is an art. The saber reflects the builder. The Force flows between them. Today, you're the ones who will feel the connection. But enough talk. Let's begin. We'll begin with the most important element of a lightsaber. You may know it as a kyber crystal. These tiny crystals are the beating heart of every lightsaber. They're able to focus the energy of the Force, even magnify it. You see, young Padawan, it will be the color of your crystal that determines the color of the lightsaber's blade. If you've studied the histories, you know. The blue, wielded by the greatest of them all, Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now the new Jedi, Rey. But green was the crystal of Kenobi's teacher, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself. And Luke, you must reach out with your feelings now. Blue, green, violet, red. Which one is calling to you? Your decisions begin on the right with activation plates, then left again. You'll select sleeves, emitter caps, and pommel caps. The gatherer you see in front of you represents the very best of our little group. You're looking at the finest lightsabers.
With the heart of the saber they are joined, much more they will become. It is time.
By the Maker, Master Yoda. It is indeed time. Time for you to form the final bond with your lightsaber. On my command, you'll step to the table and lightly place your thumb on the switch. Then, on my signal, we'll all activate these lightsabers together as one. Step forward, lightly place your thumb upon the switch. Ready, activate. Raise your sabers high. You've done it. You built a lightsaber like all the Jedi who came before. And like them, you have the power to change this galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Oh, I have a very bad feeling about you.
Complete your lightsaber is. Choose your path it cannot, but like your way, it can. May the Force be with you.
Oh, thank you.
Donc, je vous ai pas montré ça. Dans tous les parcs de Disney, vous avez des petites statues de même. Oh, à part. Quand on a un Magic Band Plus, avec le Magic Band Plus, ce que ça fait, c'est qu'on vient en avant. Et là, on le fait parler. Je sais pas si vous allez l'entendre. Petit conseil, si vous venez au mois d'août, au mois de juillet, en Floride, il peut mouiller beaucoup. Donc, prévoyez pour mouille, chaud, gros soleil. Ça veut dire qu'il faut être bien équipé. Fait que quand il mouille, par exemple, habituellement, ça tombe, comment dire, ça tombe tout de suite. Puis après ça, après une demi-heure, une heure, c'est fini. Donc, soyez prévenus.
The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Bakara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9 and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander.
Deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
I am Lieutenant Beck.
Move 5 taking evasive action.
Move 5! I'm gonna try to draw! TR-141, we are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
There's plenty out there. They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this.
Wait there.
Two.
Along the center line behind them.
The resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base.
Probe droid. You're lucky I didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. We have a breach.
Woohoo! The best part.
Two droids anyway.
Detention block breach. Prisoner last seen on level T. Nothing off! Liar!
Shields. I see no evidence.
Now! Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.